Hey guys, welcome back. So it's the end of November and we're going to try getting some of our spring bulbs in. It's about 50 degrees outside. It's warmed up quite a bit. It's a little gloomy and overcast and it's just starting to slightly sprinkle / snow a little bit. We've had a major issue with weeds in this area throughout the year. So what we've done is weed the area best that we can, and we're going to get these spring bulbs in. We got everything we need to get planted. We've got our taller variety, medium variety. So our taller variety we have as our giant Alliums and our Mediterranean bells, and then we have a variety of different varieties of daffodils. We've got some tulips, and then we've got our crocus. So we've got a variety of sizes and variety of colors. So throughout this area we're gonna plant a variety of this stuff. We're gonna do groupings rather than planting an entire variety throughout here. Now over here we have our staghorn sumac and our bearded iris. These come up purple. So that's going to be the beginning of our color, and we're going to just continue it on. The plant variety we have here with our shrubs are all cotoneaster. They will need to get trimmed back next year if we don't replace them. All of our bulbs and all of our spring plants are going to go along this area here. Putting 5 there. Kind of do look good, garlic. They are. They're in the same family. They're onions. They're called Alliums. They're in the onion family, just like garlic. Nope, just gotta go all in that back hole right there. See, it's flat. It's in the hole. All the way down. Right way up. Like that. Okay. And now, we're at Crocus. And all of these, we are going to scatter these throughout here. Like this, okay? One. next tulip variety is our peppermint stick. It's again a mid-spring bloomer reaching a height of 4 to 6 inches, good for hardening zones 2 through 10. Our last grouping of tulips we're going to be planting are black and white. It's called an Oreo blend. They're a little bit taller, reaching 12 to 22 inches, hardiness zones 2 through 8, and they are again mid-spring bloomers. Now lastly, we got two areas right here, right around the basketball pole and right over here. And that is going to be the rest of our daffodils. So that's it. We got it all in. I'm a muddy mess because it hasn't stopped raining since we've been out here. I've had my helper out here with me, and we got it all done. Now, we did get everything in a cascading of colors. So we're going to have similar colors kind of grouped together, but they're going to be different blooming times. There might be some overlap in spring into late spring, and then into the summer, especially with the Alliums. Those will continue on, and those should be big. So we have those as a backdrop with our smaller plants in front. So everything should go well together. We should have some color variations throughout the year. This should always have color, and the greenery should fill it out, so we shouldn't have as many weeds. So hopefully this all works out for us. Now, as it comes for the ranunculus, we will be planting this next year. I mean, I bought it, so I might as well use it. Now, I don't know how we're going to put it in or where we're going to put it in yet, because it is good for zones 8 through, I believe, 10. 8 through 10, which we're here in 5, so it's not going to work for us, at least with our harsh winters. So this may become a container plant or a potted plant in the early spring, so we might try planting this out in April, but we'll get to that next year. So if you have any questions, as always, leave them in the comment section below. Like and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And
thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.